Okay, we are discussing now about one of the companies that I found in a Metro Manila. So I got this company for one of my brother business, and then this is called the Sea Harbor Documentation Services. So the business of the Sea Harbor is a ship manning company where you're catering only the local ships. It composed of at least 150 employees, and then the one of the requirement of the investor or the owner of the company is to make the local company going to global. So that is their goal. So from our standpoint of view, what we can, what are the things that we can offer to them? So what are the solution that can close this gap from local market going to global? So what are we gonna do to be more competitive this company?
Okay, I have just one question regarding how they process um, their day-to-day operation. Is it more on manual processing?
Yes, still because it's a small company, so they still have manual process. But that's the one of the problem that I'm also see that this manual process takes a lot of time to process one employee, but one applicant. But how about if you are going to global market, it being
Yeah.
bulk? So what we gonna do on that?
Okay, I'm actually looking at this company profile now, and one thing that I have seen is the vision. Currently, their vision is to provide the quality service to the principal and Filipino seafarers, and that's it. I think some gaps need to be just at that part of the vision there. Some gaps need to be identified and has to be filled. The fact that they are sort of service-oriented company, I think some IT stuff has got something to do that would, if not change the vision, I think improve something that they are doing
Operation.
out of that vision. Yes,
So
and probably it will boil down to operation or improving the operation by incorporating some IT infrastructure. I suppose so.
yeah, that's good. That's good idea. So what else? What can
Yeah, having said that, this is the part where the information strategic planning should come in. So, as our team, so will propose that we can be like to be a provider of automated information system, which the management and staff can use for decision making, and especially to aid them in their day-to-day operation.
They are not looking at just having these services locally, right? I think they're looking at something bigger in the future.
yes,
And
that's
I
correct.
think the fact that they are a service-oriented company and that everything is, I would say, converging, converging to IT. All services are being integrated to, or being changed to online services. Everything is converging to IT or IT-oriented services. Then I think the, the best part to start with is how we can improve the current services they are doing now by incorporating this automated system.
Yeah. Okay. First, we have to provide a plan, which like this automated infosys, how the business can will benefit from it, right? And how like to cater to future applicants globally, um, global clientele, because this will be an online system, Infosys, that also not um, not only for local applicants or local companies, but also it will be launched like worldwide. So like companies would be able to see the Sea Harbor's profile. They would be able to um, post queries.
Mhm.
Also, I'm just thinking, and this is like one of the um, strategic plans
Let's
that we
take
have.
let's take a sample piece. For example, if for example I'm a seafarer, or yeah, a licensed seafarer, I can basically render my services to a shipping company. How do I start with if I want to be deployed using the harbor services?
Yeah, okay. Well, most of the applicants that going through in any ship mining company, there's going to a whole lot process. So the way I see it is they have a lot of manual process. So if we can create automation, so making this long-term process to be automated and much compressed, precise, and simple, then I think this this thing, this system can be add value to their market. So it add value to their services, and it can be presented to the global to the global client.
Okay, to be more specific, for example, instead of submitting my papers or the hard documents, then I can just process it online. Is that the
Yes,
improvement that we are looking at here?
yes, yes.
And
And
basically,
currently they're not doing that now. They're doing
Yes.
things manually.
Yes, yes.
So everything you have to be
Paper.
done in papers.
Paper, yes.
Okay, so that's I think one of the improvements that we can offer the company.
basically it's a starting point. Applicants can just upload the requirements,
Yes.
like certificates, a copy of certificates, um, into the portal. So the Sea Harbor can now just retrieve it,
Yeah.
like without the prelim
Without
stage,
no
without-
small human
without
interaction,
yeah.
or
What is
small
the status of the company now when it comes to IT? Do they have a website?
No, so far no.
Okay.
So still,
So just the website itself, just building the website for them itself is already, I would say, a head start.
okay. Yeah. So moving forward, so what is what we can what is our vision mission now for the IS for more on a strategic planning. So what we can suggest to them?
Okay. So our vision is to aim to be a provider of automated information system which the management and staff can use for decision making. In line with this, we have a mission. So what is the purpose of having this? What's the purpose of having a strategic plan? So the mission of our mission is to provide Sea Harbor an accurate, cost-effective, excellent quality Infosys to manage a day-to-day operation. So meaning it will be automated from step one to the end.
Okay, it's good. I think it's very good. But you can add more.
Okay, that's a big one. I think we got to start planning.
Okay, so maybe next time we go wrap up to this. We have a vision mission that we already we established a goal for the company. So I think we can itemize it more in our document, and then let's see what we can get to the our analysis to the S4 gap and
We have
test.
to do that analysis, further analysis.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
it's good. Thank you very much. The team concept strategic objectives are the following. Number one, providing an efficient information system infrastructure for Sea Harbor Company. Number 2, open communication with the management when implementing the system. Number 3, work closely with the business unit to address their requirements and needs. To achieve the success of the implementation of the tools, our strategy are include the extensive training for the management and staff to use the new tools, acquiring equipment with a standard specification to minimize the cost, and also enterprising a licensed software to reduce the license costs. As part of the information system strategic planning, the team concept identified the business goal for the Sea Harbor Company. These are customer delight, superior sales growth, financial excellence, employee excellence, and business process improvement. Let's identify each goal. First, customer delight. In this section, our goal is to satisfy the applicant and the client by giving a convenient way to process the information needed. In sales growth, the goal is to be recognized the Sea Harbor Company by adding to a social media like Twitter, Facebook, and other materials to get a potential client and applicant. For financial excellence, by providing the cost-efficient tools to reduce the overhead of the company. In employee excellence, the tools can monitor, track, provide employment status, and financial record. It can also give a convenient way to manage the license, certification, and other credentials. On business process improvement, the tools simplify the recruitment, tracking, and reporting system for Sea Harbor Company.
The staff can use for decision making.
That's
Mali.
At
Yung part
year
ko. Sabi ko na eh. Hindi, okay na yan, Mark. Okay na yan.